So, exciting news. Walmart has finally noticed all the content that I've been making here on YouTube and on my Instagram, and they sent me some PR. I was on Instagram about a month ago. Walmart DM'd me and said, "Hey, we saw your haul on YouTube and we really liked it. We'd love to send you some stuff. What's your size in clothes and shoes, and what's your address?" So I was like, well, okay then. So I sent it over, and Walmart sent me a box of goodies. And I'm here to do a haul of stuff that Walmart picked out for me. So it's going to be a little bit different. Most of the time when I do hauls, usually I'm the one that goes and shops for myself. But this time, Walmart was so kind as to send everything that you're going to see today over. So big thank you to Walmart. And if you want to work with me in the future, holler at your girl, because we do like a Walmart haul around here. They even included a little card. Without further ado, we're going to get into this awesome Walmart PR haul, and of course, as always, I'll include all the links to everything that I'm going to be sharing with you all down in the description box, so you can shop these awesome spring and summer ready pieces from Walmart super easily. Let's get into it. This first dress is from my favorite in-house Walmart brand, which is Scoop. Scoop always has like the best stuff. When I go shopping on Walmart.com, because I rarely ever go into the store, I live in LA, so our Walmart store, I don't know why, it just doesn't have a very good like clothing area, so I usually just stick to the internet. But I always go to the Scoop section of their website first, because they always have just really great on-trend pieces that are fun and colorful and a decent price. So starting off with this dress, I love this. So I've worn this a couple times already since I received it, and I love it. It is a small, and I feel like it definitely fits perfectly. It is a little bit like loose in the waist, but it's a comfortable amount of loose. You know, you don't want it to be like too tight, because I kind of see this as sort of like an everyday kind of dress, something to be comfortable in and run around in. It's got these really cute long sleeves that are slightly flared, although not like a crazy amount of flare, which I appreciate, because sometimes flared sleeves, low-key, are so hard to just be a functional human in. You know what I mean? Like when you're eating, you reach across the table and your sleeve is just suddenly in the food. Not cute. So these are not crazy wide, so they're definitely very doable, and I love that it's just like a nice lightweight fabric. The long sleeves are kind of perfect for, you know, this spring weather, so it's not like crazy hot yet. You can still have a nice sleeve on without feeling overheated, and it just is a very nice flattering shape. I think the neckline is really pretty, just this square neckline, very feminine. Of course, the colors are really nice and vibrant, and I love the fact that it has pockets. I mean, I dress with pockets, y'all know. It makes my heart so happy. And I also just really love like the little A-line, almost like skater style skirt, just kind of flares out a little bit, and it's on the shorter side. All in all, it's a really flattering dress, and I'm so excited. I think, you know, it's perfect for just like literally anything. You could wear it casual with sneakers. You could put on some cute heels at night and dress it up a little bit depending on where you're going. So definitely a very versatile dress. It's comfortable, and I just think it looks really feminine and really, really good on. Also had to shout out these shoes. Walmart did not send me these. They're from my previous Walmart spring accessory and shoe haul, which you can check out. I'll put the link in the cards and up in the description box. You can watch that one next. But I thought these looked really cute with this dress, and I love the metallic lime green. They're so fun. They come in like a bright pink and I believe gold and possibly black. But they'll be linked obviously along with this dress down in the description box. I think they're just such a fun and very affordable way to spruce up your sandal collection this summer. This next dress is from BCBG Paris, which I had no idea that BCBG had like a line on Walmart. That is very interesting to me, but this piece is interesting because it's not necessarily a dress that I would have chosen for myself, but I think it is really fun, and I think the reason why I wouldn't necessarily have picked it is just because I feel like the print is just like really over the top, like super duper girly, with all the ruffles and everything. It's very, very girly, but I like it. I am really into girly things. The only thing that I don't love about it design-wise is just where the neckline hits. I just have a weird thing about necklines. Like I either want it to come like a little touch lower, or I want it to just be like a high neck. Sometimes when things are like in between, they are more modest, I guess, but it just kind of makes me feel like old in a way. I don't know. That's just my own personal weird thing. But otherwise, it's a really, really cute dress. It's got this really fun little ruffly skirt. The fabric is a very interesting sort of like textured lightweight fabric. And then, of course, it has the waistline that is nice and nipped in, and it's an elastic waistband. So it's a lot of give and forgiveness in this dress. It's really comfortable on. I could see this being really cute for like a Sunday brunch, or maybe going to church, or I don't know, just something. It makes me think Easter. I mean, I know Easter's over, but I feel like this is like definitely giving Easter vibes, but it's really fun. Obviously very lightweight, easy to wear in the summer. I've got it on with this pair of platform pink high heels from Walmart, from Scoop, that was also in my previous haul, and I think it goes so well with this dress. But obviously it looks also very cute with little white sneakers, so it's very versatile, as well as the previous dress was. You could dress it up or down, just depending on the shoes that you pair with it and the accessories that you style it with. So definitely another great versatile dress for your spring and summer wardrobe. Just wanted to pop on here and say, if you're enjoying this haul, you might want to find me over on my other social media platforms. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, like all the places that you could think of social media wise. I'm there. I'll have links to all those down in the description box if you want to go say hi and follow me on the other platforms that you enjoy being on. I would absolutely love to see you around, and make sure you leave me a comment and let me know you came from YouTube. I always love to connect with you guys on my other platforms. If you're not already subscribed, you might want to hit that subscribe button for more fun, affordable fashion and lifestyle content. All right, let's get back to it. This next dress is another one from Scoop, and funny story, I've actually owned like this same style of dress from Scoop, but just in a different pattern. They came out with a dress basically almost just like this, but in different colorways last spring. I had a black and white polka dot one, and it's funny because I like this style, but the things that I had issues with that dress are the same with this. And basically what it comes down to is the dress kind of doesn't really give you much of a shape. It does, but in a way it sort of makes your shape look bigger just by like the way that it is structured. So it is kind of like sewn so that it goes out a little bit where your hips are, because yes, we're women, a lot of us do have hips and a booty and all that stuff. So it's nice that it gives room and way for that area of your body, but it almost gives too much, and it doesn't really go in at the waist enough. So it just kind of makes me look bigger. So my inclination is to just whack a belt on there and cinch everything in. And I think when you do that, it ends up looking a lot better, and it looks a lot more flattering. Just, I kind of wish that you didn't have to have a belt, you know, like it would be nice if the dress just was cut more flattering. But that being said, with the belt, it looks really cute. I love the really bright pink and orange contrast going on here. It's just such a fun color combination. I think that pink and orange together, just it makes me so happy. It's just really fun, bright color combo. Of course, the spaghetti straps are adjustable, so you can adjust them up and down as you like. I really like the big slit that goes up one leg, you know, just flash a little bit of leg, and it is a nice silhouette overall once it's belted. It kind of has that sort of like 90s slip dress feel to it, which is really big right now. I don't hate it. I just kind of hope or wish that the dress didn't need the belt all the time to sort of give it a shape, but it's not the end of the world. And you know, I very strongly believe that belting things also just gives your outfit a little bit more elevated look, because it looks like you took the time to go ahead and accessorize it. Now, this outfit does feature some accessories that were included in this Walmart PR package. First up, these heels from Scoop that, I mean, obviously it's like they were made to go with this outfit, but I love the sort of like faux leather crinkled aspect going on the straps. It's really fun. They're very stretchy. They have good amount, well, these parts aren't stretchy, but the back heel part is stretchy. They're a nice low block heel, so very comfortable and easy to walk in. The soles feel like they have a nice amount of flexibility. So these are just super fun. I didn't have a really good pair of like bright orange heels, so I'm so glad and thankful that Walmart chose this color to send me, because now I feel like I definitely can have some more fun with color. But if you're looking for like a really bright injection of color into any outfit, orange is definitely a fun way to go. I think a lot of people shy away from bright orange because, I mean, I know I definitely did. It made me think of like construction zones and prison uniforms. Orange is the new black. Anyone? I've started to really get into wearing orange because it's just fun. It's eye-catching. Your eyes just really drawn to it, and it's just something different that will make you stand out, because again, not a lot of people will wear orange for whatever reason. Also with this outfit, this super fun tote bag that they included, also from Scoop. The second that I pulled this out of the box, I've just been using it constantly. I am obsessed with it. I think it's so much fun. Is this from Scoop? This might be from actually, sorry, this is from No Boundaries, not Scoop. But so much fun. I mean, the pink and red combo, it's like, somebody thought it was terry cloth the other day, but it's actually like furry. Like it feels like a teddy bear kind of material. It's got these pink faux leather straps, and then the inside is super roomy and big with one little zipper pocket and then a little faux leather magnetic little closure there if you want to keep your bag a little bit more together. And I do believe this comes in some other colors. I was thinking about getting one of these like months ago and then I like didn't. So super glad they included this. It's so much fun. It literally, just the color combination and just the graphic checkerboard pattern, it just injects any outfit with just so much fun, vibrancy, and just something different. And I loved pairing it with this outfit because it's got the pink and red in there. The flowers have pink and red, so all of the colors just kind of tie together, and a nice little pattern mix of the floral with the checkerboard. So much fun. Another pick from Walmart that I would not necessarily have chosen for myself, but I like it. This dress is from Sofia Vergara, and it is so much fun. First of all, I think this is probably the most comfortable dress of the bunch. I could definitely see myself throwing this on during the summer on those hot days when I just want to wear something that doesn't like hug my body too much, that's light, that's airy, but also when I want to look like I've put some like effort into my outfit. This is the perfect thing to just pop on and go. So it's in this really beautiful like purpley pink color. The fabric is sort of like a crinkled textured fabric, which makes it very interesting, and it also has pockets, which gets it even more points in my book, you guys know. And I love all the little like feminine details going on, the little sleeves with the little ruffles and the ruffles at the sort of bust. It's kind of like an empire waist dress, and then it goes down and has this fun little like lace detail in like the tiered skirt. It's not double lined, but the fabric is thick enough that it doesn't feel like it's see-through or anything. And it has quite a bit of stretch and give to it. So definitely take your normal size, and yeah, if you're looking for something that's just easy breezy for the upcoming summer but still has like a feminine pretty look to it, this is definitely a really fun dress to pick up. Saved one of my favorite pieces that they sent me for last. This dress is from Free Assembly, and it is one that I had my eye on the last time I did a little shopping on Walmart when I bought some stuff for spring, but I just decided not to get it. So I'm really glad they included this. It's this really adorable gingham sundress, and this to me is just the epitome of like the perfect dress for any like spring or summer barbecue. To me, when I like see gingham, it just makes me think of like going to a barbecue or a cookout or a picnic or something. So definitely perfect for any occasion like that. It's really comfortable. The fabric just feels like a really nice lightweight like sort of cottony material, and I love Free Assembly's clothes because they always seem to be really well made, and the quality of them is usually pretty spot on, as well as the fact that their designs are usually fairly timeless. They can be kind of trendy, but for the most part I find them to be a good timeless brand to shop on Walmart. This is just such a flattering dress. I love the sort of like sweetheart neckline and the little sash that ties around the waist. It does have little small belt loops to hold it in place, which is nice. And again, it also has pockets, which is fantastic. And it's just a really nice A-line skirt that just flows away. And it just really does create like a nice hourglass figure, while at the same time, for me, like my lower half of my body is usually the part that I'm not the craziest about. So when I can sort of find things that give me like define my waist but just flow out from my hips and all that area, that's like the secret, the sweet spot for me. Like that's where I really find pieces that I find that I love on my body personally. So this dress just checks all the boxes, and I think it also does come in some other colors, but loving the green, and I'll definitely be wearing this on any upcoming barbecues. I mean, send your girl an invite. I make pretty good deviled eggs. We have come to the end of this Walmart haul. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and make sure to leave me a comment down below letting me know what outfit was your favorite. I would love to hear from you guys. If you're not already, please subscribe for more fun, affordable fashion videos like this. I also upload really fun vlogs, tutorials, travel videos, all that good stuff. You may really love to check out my Walmart spring accessories and shoes haul, which I will put right here. You can check out that one next. I'll see you guys over here, and if not, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!